Welcome to a demonstration of BG Network's BGN-SAT Security Automation Tool, an intuitive GUI-based software tool for engineers to quickly and easily add core cybersecurity to an embedded IoT device. With BGN-SAT, users define a security profile aligned to their needs, enable in-silicon security features, and automatically implement a customized solution for their IoT device without needing extensive embedded security experience. After logging into the tool, the user is presented with the home page where they can select or edit a recently used profile or define a new security profile to program their device. When creating a new profile, the BGN-SAT guides the user through the steps of defining the profile name and selecting the specific hardware and output directory for generated keys, signed binary images, and encrypted binary images for the device to be programmed. To configure the bootloader, first select the bootloader file to determine the level of authentication and encryption, such as a U-boot bootloader for a Yocto Linux-based system. At this step, bootloader authentication, which uses a hardware root of trust, can be enabled. The bootloader can also be encrypted for data protection. The BGN-SAT supports various RSA and AES key lengths for authentication and encryption respectively. The user also selects the boot medium and flashing tool for the device. Users select the Linux kernel file and specify the RSA key length if authentication is desired. Next, the kernel boot medium and flashing tool are selected. Similarly, the user loads their full OS image, including the root file system, applications, and data to be used on their device. Finally, users can use the BGN-SAT to program fuses on the processor to permanently configure additional security features, such as locking interface ports not actively used by the device. To flash and program the device, the BGN-SAT will automatically detect if a board is connected and identify the ports used for programming. After specifying the unique identifier for the board, the user initiates programming to generate the required RSA and AES keys for authentication and encryption, sign and encrypt the appropriate binary images, and flash those images to the board, including the bootloader, full Yocto Linux OS image, and Linux kernel. A progress bar shows the various steps and displays a confirmation when the device is successfully programmed. Throughout each programming step, the BGN-SAT provides contextual help, guides, and suggestions to define the user's security needs. With the BGN Security Automation Tool, engineers leverage in-silicon security features to quickly implement IoT device cybersecurity without needing extensive embedded security experience. It is easy to use, fast, secure, and customizable to your product's needs, reducing development time and improving time to market. For more information about BG Networks, contact us at www.bgnet.works.